What is the synonym of near? A. Close B. Far C. Distant. What is the synonym of friend? A. Enemy B. Companion C. Stranger. What is the synonym of hardworking? A. Diligent B. Lazy C. Careless. What is the synonym of smart? A. Dumb B. Clever C. Silly. What is the synonym of end? A. Finish B. Start C. Begin. What is the synonym of look? A. See B. Hide C. Lose. What is the synonym of amazing? A. Ordinary B. Wonderful C. Boring. What is the synonym of ask? A. Tell B. Request C. Answer. What is the synonym of awful? A. Terrible B. Nice C. Happy. What is the synonym of bad? A. Good B. Evil C. Noble. What is the synonym of brave? A. Coward B. Courageous C. Weak. What is the synonym of break? A. Repair B. Smash C. Join. What is the synonym of come? A. Arrive B. Go C. Leave. What is the synonym of cry? A. Laugh B. Weep C. Smile. What is the synonym of cut? A. Break B. Slice C. Join. What is the synonym of destroy? A. Build B. Ruin C. Create. What is the synonym of definite? A. Certain B. Doubtful C. unsure. What is the synonym of describe? A. Explain. B. Hide. C. Conceal. What is the synonym of different? A. Similar. B. Dissimilar. C. Identical. What is the synonym of hate? A. Love. B. Dislike. C. Admire. What is the synonym of keep? A. Hold. B. Throw. C. Drop. What is the synonym of kill? A. Murder. B. Save. C. Help. What is the synonym of center? A. Middle. B. Side. C. Corner. What is the synonym of value? A. Worth. B. Waste. C. Useless.